Okay, problem 5. Find the distance from a given point to a given line. So in part A, for example, the point is 4, 1, negative 2. Okay, and the line is described by this parametric equation. X is 1 plus t, y is 3 minus 2t. Okay, z is minus 3t. Okay, so here to get the distance is the length of this part. Okay, to get the distance, you need to apply the formula. So first, these points away from the line, we call it point Q. Okay, and then we need to find two random points on the line. Okay, let's call them P and R. Okay, so that's all you need. And then the distance is PQ cross PR, right? The length of PQ cross PR over the length of PR. Okay, so how do you find P and R? You can simply let T to be 0 or T to be 1. Actually, you can let T to be any number you want, but usually we just let T to be 0, right? When T is 0, X, Y, Z is 1, 3, 4. Okay, this is when T is 0. And if T is 1, R is a point 2, 1, 1. Okay. Then you just need to apply this formula. So first, what is PQ? PQ is just Q minus P. Okay, it's 3, negative 2, negative 6. And PR is just R minus P, right? It's 2, 1, 1, minus 1, 3, 4. Okay, it's 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, so then the distance is just PQ, okay, cross PR. Okay, the length of it over the length of PR. Okay, so on the top, it's a cross product. So let's do the cross product. It's a determinant of this. This is the first component. The second component is minus the determinant of this. And the third component is the determinant of this. Okay, the length of it over square root of 1 square plus negative 2 square plus negative 3 square. Okay, so let's get the determinant. Determinant is the product of this diagonal minus the product of this diagonal. So it's 6 minus 12, it's negative 6. Right? And here is a product of this diagonal minus a product of this diagonal. So it's negative 9 minus negative 6. It's negative 3. And with an extra negative sign, it's 3. Okay, and here it's a product of this, negative 6 minus negative 2. So it's negative 4. Okay. Over the bottom. The bottom is square root of 14. Okay, then you just get the top. It's negative 6 square plus 3 square plus negative 4 square. Okay, over square root of 14. So it's square root of 61 over 14. Right. So part B is the same. Okay, part B, the point Q away from the line, 0, 1, 3. Okay, and the line, right? The line is x is 2t, y is 6 minus 2t, and z is 3 plus t. Right? So again, you need to find two random points on the line. Call them P, Q. Okay, so similarly, you can just let t to be 0, then your P is, okay, if t is 0, then your P is, right, 0, 2, 6, 3. Okay, then your R, you can just let t to be 1. Sorry, your Q, sorry, I should use R here. Then the R, you can just let t to be 1. It is 2, 4, 4. Okay, then all the steps are the same. It's just different numbers. Okay, you do the same thing. Your answer would be, okay, the distance would be 5 square root of 5 over 3. Okay, same steps, just different numbers. You can try it by yourself.